Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to customize your Windows 11 taskbar. That's the latest feature available. So you just right click on your taskbar and you click on the taskbar settings. Therefore it will launch your settings application, and as you can see, these are the settings available. Okay, you could try checking out the task view. Okay, it's also a cool feature to check it out, but actually personally I just let it be. So when it's available on the taskbar, no problem. But you can customize your search bar. The search bar is the most important one because have three features available: the icon, the search, and the search tab itself. So awesome. And thereafter you could check out. You see now you can see that when you are trying to search using a search bar, you could search directly and it will be giving you the results instantly. So cool. Now for the next feature, that is the pen and the on-screen keyboard or the touch keyboard. The touch keyboard, personally, I don't like it because you could use your own laptop keyboard, okay, and you are cool, or your desktop keyboard, and you are cool to go. Why should you turn on a touch keyboard? Only if you want to use as a tablet mode and your laptop supports touch display. Yeah. So now for the last features and all, you could see your system applications, okay. The launched applications want to be showing on the right side of your taskbar. You could turn them on or off. It depends on you as well. As for me, I would like to get all of them on. Now you will see there are some features. For this one, you could like to view it in Windows 10 style or choose to view it on Windows 11 style. I like the Windows 11 style because when it's in the middle part, it's so awesome and it makes it more beautiful and bright interface. I want to know what you guys think in the comment section below. So try to give me a comment about it. And there are a lot of features you could check out also. Try using it on your computer to see. I personally don't have these features useful enough, but it might be piquing your interest. That's why I did a bit about it. So you could check it out as well. So what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. As you can see, I'm doing some changes to it over there, and you can see that it's so cool. And as you can see, for the projection style or how to project and all, when you go to your settings icons and all, you could see all the notification icons and you could project everything you want. Nice and smooth. This is very awesome. I really like it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.